Hello, guys. This is the fourth grade mathematics class for week one from Project Dixuchi. Um, and today we are going to be learning about number systems and integers. So today our agenda is, or our exploration is number types. Well, we will be learning about number sets and the differences about whole numbers and integers. And after that, we're going to be learning about number lines and visualizing how numbers relate on the line. And learning at the end of the class, we'll be learning about absolute value, which is basically just distance.